based on what Devin is posting on social media and what Ryan has posted as well, I think it's pretty much a done deal that we're getting that fight. Of course, there's still some negotiations to go down, but, you know, it looks like it's happening. But I'm not going to defend someone who was born a man. I'm not going to defend someone born a man fighting someone born a woman. Virgil Ortiz is going to be fighting tonight. Y'all already know I've been waiting for him to come back. And let's see how he's going to do at 154, man. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm going to be going live for the first time tonight. I think Barroso may have given us one of the biggest knockouts this year. Oh shit, Davies is getting rocked. Barroso's putting hands on him. Dropped him a second time. Barroso stops homeboy in the first round. And then Virgil also gets a stoppage in the first round.
Quedó en estado de shock cuando escribí en una hoja de blog que era más fea que el señor Spock y que se rellena el sutién con corned beef y chow mein y a pesar de que usa Chanel toma un corte.
Let's see what happens, man. The 140 division is on fire right now. You know, with Ryan Garcia, Teofimo, Devin Haney, of course, Chance. Regis is still a major player in the game, even though he lost. Don't slip on him. And yo, there's a lot of guys, man. Richardson Hitchens coming in hot. So
I rate Boots Ennis as one of the best talents in the world, and there's a lot of people trying to sign him, and we are one of those people. So.
Yo, better be able got him in trouble. He pummeling him, dropped him. You already heard it. Smith never been dropped in his career. Yo, better be he not playing. He going after him. He trains out in Vegas. And listen, man, if you don't know who she is or if you don't follow her, trust me, man, you want to check her out. She's the truth, man. She got hands for days. 5 fighters from each side face each other. Whoever came up with that idea, you're a genius. Who are you? Why did someone come up with this before? I don't know. You know what? To PBC, respectfully, there's no way that Canelo's win over Charlo is bigger than Bud's win over Spence. What is y'all talking about? What are we talking about? Two of today's young fighters that I'm looking forward to watching, Abdullah Mason and Floyd Schofield. About Tyson Fury versus Alexander Usyk. What do you guys think about that fight? Well, let me tell you something, man. Fury, he's gonna be losing a step, or already lost a step.
Day break, meditating on the steps I take. I realize there's a lot at stake, so I ain't surprised while trying to stack capes. But I recognize that it ain't easy, so I organize with my PNC.
Ay, que nadie me hable en contra de ella. Que voy pa' allá. Es que me gusta esa mujer. Que voy pa' allá. Amigo mío, si la ve. Que voy pa' allá. Dígale, dígale, dígale. Que voy pa' allá. Dígale, dígale, dígale. Que voy pa' allá. Mami, mami, abre la ventana. Que voy pa' allá. Mami, mami, abre la persiana.
So now we know it's going to be Rolly versus Pitbull. I was not expecting that to happen because obviously, you know, Ryan Garcia was trying to get that Rolly fight, and we know that would have been a lot more money, but that's the way the cookie crumbles. She's not just Sebastian's sister. She's Gabriela Fundora, IBF champion. And as of last year, she's one of my favorite fighters. The WBC stripped Charlo of his title. So I guess Fundora, I can't remember his opponent's name, will be fighting for that title next. It's Saturday. Gabriela Fundora is going to be fighting on the zone. And y'all going to get a round-by-round reaction by your boy Jay Smith. Mongolia drop rider with a bomb. Gabriela Fundora stopped her opponent, which means my predictions for 2024 are 100% accurate. And y'all already know, man, 2024 started off with a bang, some great knockouts, some highlight reels, and it's just gonna get better from here on out, my peoples. Yo, what the fuck is going on, babe? Man, I get up at 3 in the morning to pee, and I see that news that Shakur Stevenson decided to retire. Right. You know what, man? Listen, I gotta get my thoughts together, but I'm contemplating retiring from the sport of boxing, and I don't know, that's probably how it's gonna play out. But I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I'll probably retire, and when Shakur unretires, I'll come back. So I don't know if he's gonna be retired for a few months, a few years, a few weeks. When Shakur come back, I'm coming back too. So I don't know when that's gonna happen. You know, earlier today I retired from the sport of boxing, but to be honest, after a few hours, I couldn't take it anymore. So I'm officially announcing my unretirement from the sport of boxing. I'm back. You're gonna see my videos coming up on your screen, on your stories. You know, I had to come back just because I love the sport of boxing too much to walk away from it. So, and you know what? I'm gonna make a prediction right now. I know that Shakur loves the sport of boxing more than, you know, his frustration with the fact that people's ducking him. So that love is going to overcome the frustration. Shakur's coming back. I just don't know when.